I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go.
Look at Rufus Castle, and is it Church Ope Cove, I believe. It's you can't actually drive. I tried to get through it, but I can't get through the portcullis. The van won't fit through the portcullis down into the road, so parked up on the top, and we're going to have a little bimble down, have a look at this place, see what this has got to offer. Bit breezy today, I'm wrapped up a bit, and we'll see how we're going with this one. Lovely jubbly. You ready, Skye? Let's go. You ready? Come on, guys. There's Christine parked up. Pennsylvania Castle. I think that's just a mock one there. But we're going down to Rufus Castle in a minute, and down to the cove. That looks nice, isn't it? You can have weddings and everything there. Lovely. Pennsylvania Castle Estate, island of Portland. Right, bit breezy, but there's a museum and everything here, of course. We'll have a look. Whoa, it is breezy today. Winds are hacking. See what the sea's doing. Public footpath. Hope that leads down to the Ope Cove. Got the museum, church one up there. We're going to have a look at that. Right, Skye. Lovely jubbly. Here's where we're at, the Portland Museum, established in 1930. And we've got the Church Ope Cove Trail. We're going to have a hike down to Rufus Castle, and down to the cove as well. Church cemetery ruins. Pennsylvania Castle, which we've just gone by. Looks an interesting area. Here you go, guys, the Portland Museum. And it's just there. We'll go and have a look. It's beautiful here. This is the Pennsylvania Castle entrance. But we're working our way down to Rufus Castle. I'm not sure whether the museum's open. But it's really pretty. Let's go and have a look. Well, the Portland Museum is closed for winter, unfortunately. So I can't show you that well-beloved yard. It's interesting. Right, Skye baby. I tried to come down here, and Christine, as you can see, oops today, stop pulling, Skye. Tried to come down to Christine, but as soon as I saw this corner here, I thought, I ain't going to get round there. So I had to reverse out and go back out, parked up on the road. Anyway, look. Lovely. Yes, I'm glad I didn't come down here in the van, because it's a dead end anyway, and it would have been really tight coming through there. Nowhere to park, so it's good where I'm parked up on the top road. And we're going to have a walk down to the cove and to the castle. Well, this is a pretty walk. Lovely. It's cold, mind you. Really chilly. The wind's hacking as well, but just get yourself wrapped up. Get out there. Rain, snow, wind, whatever. Just get out there and enjoy it. Wow, look at this. This is looking interesting. Got a bit of a fort going on there. Bit of a portcullis kind of thing. Let's go and have a look. Oh, this is pretty. I'm not sure whether that is a Rufus Castle. I don't know. I'll check up in a minute. But we're working our way down to Ope Cove. How pretty is that, eh? And the sun's coming out. Lovely jubbly.
Rufus Castle, also known as the Bow and Arrow Castle, apparently, was built by William the Conqueror's son. Yes, King William II back in the 15th century as a stronghold. It's not open to the public now, but you can get some nice views down below. I believe it's privately owned. There are some beautiful Canon portcullises. We'll do a little bit of a few pictures for you that I found on the internet. I can't actually get up there. It's got a lovely archway bridge there, which is stunning, absolutely stunning. It's a shame you can't get in there now, but I'll pop some pictures up and a bit more information about Rufus Castle.
Wow,
beautiful.
This place is bloody beautiful. Absolutely stunning. There I am. Good morning. It's only about 9:30, I think, in the morning at the moment. Nice and quiet, no one else about. Just me. And look at this. Look at this. Oh, what a beautiful view. And there is Oak Cove. The fishing huts down there. We'll try and get down there if we can. Looking across the peninsula here. The seas are not that rough on this side, to be honest. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Well, it's turning into a beautiful morning, and this is a lovely walk. Lots of walks here. You can walk all along the coastal path from Oak Cove. There was a pirates graveyard or something, but they don't believe it was pirates now. But pirates did use this bay apparently back in the day. Try to look where I'm going, down this rugged little path. We're on here. Trying to get down to the bay, down to Oak Cove and have a look. So the sea's not as rough on this side. We're on the leeward side of the island, so the wind's not as bad and the seas are not rocking as much as on the windward side. But we'll crack on. Oh, it's beautiful. What a lovely morning. What a beautiful morning. I need a bin because I've got a poo bag in my hand. There's no bins about. I'm going to carry this poo bag around with me all bloody morning. Right, coastal path, Portland Bill's 2.5 miles, Portland Museum, which is closed. We'll drop down into, we've got to go all down those steps there. See those steps all the way down to the bottom. We'll go and have a look. Oh, blimey, Skye, it's a long bloody way down there. All the way down there to the cove. We've got the castle up there above our heads. Wow, it's crack on. You ready, Skye? Don't you pull me down. Good girl. Well, we're halfway down. All the way up there. So I've got to go all the way down there. Lovely. It says Eastways 13th century church ruins. Blimey, that looks a bit tight up there. So you can have a look. Wow, look at this in the wilderness. The ruins of a 13th century church with the surf rocking behind me. Oh, right inside of the hillside. Bloody hell, 13th century. 800 years. 800 years? Oh, where are we going? Oh, blimey. This is a bit tight. Oh, I love these places, I really do. What we're going to find. Are we going up higher? Oh, we're going higher, Skye. Look at these stone steps. Skye, stop pulling. For God's sake. Right, are we at the top? Where are we? Oh, here we are at the ruins. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh, is that not... How stunning is that? That's Oak Cove. And here we are at the 13th Cemetery Church, 800 years old. Blimey, oh, bleeding Riley. That's the mock castle up there, the one we looked at on when we parked up. Look at this place. Wow, crazy, eh? Hidden away in the hillside. Absolutely bonkers. Got some gravestones here. I think this is where they thought there was a pirate buried, because it had a skull and crossbones on the tombstone. But a lot of tombstones back then had skull and crossbones. What's the date of that? 1715. Oh, these are well and truly growing into nature. And there's the church. Just going to have a look inside. Inside the church we go. Oh, it's quite a big one. Obviously it's just the foundations and the walls left. What a lovely place for a church, eh? I presume that's where the main eave was. Looking down at that stunning view down there. So there's not a lot left of this place at all. Well, 800 years. Crazy, eh? Crazy. What went on here 800 years ago, eh? It's quite a big place by the look of it, quite a big church. Can't read most of these tombstones, they're all eroded away with the weather. Amazing. Right, let's get down to the cove.
Apparently the 12th century, going back way back in time, the monks, the local monks in the area, built this church on the site of an old Anglo-Saxon church originally, going back 800 years. Amazing.
It's a bit of a task to get up and down into this church. Aren't they? Really narrow. These cobbles are all slippy. Oh, steady Skye, don't you pull me, because it's very slippy. Right. Oh. Blimey. Must have been a local village here for a church that size. I'll try and dig up a bit of history about it. Right, we're cracking on down to the beach, to the cove. Welcome to Church Hope Cove, part of the Crown Estate. Lovely. Beautiful it is, eh, Skye? Well, at last, we're nearly at the bottom. It's a long old hike up there, I tell you. Must be 100 steps going up to the top road. Here we go. We're down, nearly down at the bottom. All these lovely fishing huts. Absolutely stunning. Hey, Skye. Aren't we lucky, eh? Aren't we lucky to do this every day? Find beautiful places like this. Oh, look at this place. Freshwater tap there and a bowl for the dog. Welcome to Church Hope. Please take your litter home. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Welcome to Church Hope. It's beautiful. We're a bit glary with the sunshine. Let's get the sun behind us. Wow, what a gorgeous little gem of a beach. Oh, this is paradise. Absolutely beautiful, Skye. Look at this place. Stunning. The beach cuts with all their rock wall gardens. How amazing is this, folks? You got Rufus Castle up there. Wow, what a little gem. What a gem of a find. Hope Cove, Isle of Portland. never ceases to amaze me, the island of Portland. It is beautiful. Look at the way all these massive pebbles have been pushed up by the tide into a rampart, kind of sea defence, natural sea defence. Amazing. And all these fishing huts or holiday huts, whatever they are, they've all got gardens made out of the pebbles, garden walls. They all get blown down when the tide comes in. Birds everywhere. What a beautiful place. What an absolutely stunning little cove. Almost brings it to tears, the beauty. Stunning. I've got that sea breeze making my eyes water. Absolutely. It's one of those magical moments on country when you find something a little bit special. This is a special place. Hope Cove, the church, the castle, and these lovely little huts. Wow. No cafes, no amusements, no tourists, just peace and quiet. All these lovely, lovely huts. So amazing. They must be holiday lets, or they belong to people or fishermen. They used to belong to fishermen, I guess. That's the castle up there. No tourism. Oh, what a magical place. Stunning. Right, we've got to get all the way back up there to the Rufus castle and back to Christine. Stunning, eh guys? Absolutely stunning, folks. Right, back up we go, up the hill. Lovely jubbly. Blimey, oh, bleeding Riley. Having a rest halfway up. Oh, it's a long way up. And it's a long way down. But it's worth it. It's really worth it. How stunning, eh? I'm only halfway up. I think there must be 100 steps. There's got to be, probably more. It's a long way down. But well worth it. Absolutely stunning. We've got a lovely day as well. Crazy. It's quite warm now. I've got all these clothes on. I'm starting to warm up a bit now. It's about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock now. We've been out for a couple of hours. And need to get back to the van and get some of these clothes off. Have a nice cup of Yorkshire. Have a cup of tea. Kettle's on, mother. Oh, blimey. Long way up there, Skye, eh? Eh? She's trying not to pull me as well, bless her. Right, it's crack on. Oh, blimey. Oh, I think there's more than 100 steps. Wow.
Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights.
Come on, come on, Skye. Oh, blimey. Oh, this should all bloody work. Oh, things we do. The video. Hey, Skye. Oh, let's go, Skye. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. We're at the top. Oh, oh, blimey, I'm bleeding lightly. Wow. We made it. Whoa. Oh, that's a long way up. Oh, what a view. What a bloody vista. Oh, magical. Bloody magical. Oh, more bloody giddy. Oh, that was lovely. There you go, that's the Rufus Castle. Church, the old church, 12th century church. And the Cove. What a beautiful place. What a beautiful place. Well worth a visit. Bring a picnic. Bring a flask of tea. It's a long way down. Lovely. Right, let's get back to Christine. Kettle's on, mother. Have a cup of tea because I'm gagging. Oh, what a lovely lovely hour. Lovely way to kill an hour or two. Beautiful. Right, let's get back. Come on, Skye. Where's Christine? Where's Christine? Let's have a cup of tea. She's just down there on the side of the road. Lovely jubbly. Lovely gardens there, eh? All those exotic trees. Into the mock castle. Built in 1800, so it is quite old. I thought it was a mock. It is quite old, and not as old as the church and the Rufus Castle. But just having me hand down here before I go back to Christine. Can't see very well in the glaring sunlight. That's Pennsylvania Castle and the grounds. Christine's just there. You can see her beyond the entrance. Shame that the sun's a bit glary. Nice. Cup of tea, rocking and rolling. Cup of Yorkshire, Kettle's on, mother. And I've got some chicken korma curry. Got some rice in the bottom there, boiling away. Lovely jubbly. It's going to be my supper tonight. We'll settle in for you with it, Skye, eh? Right, I packed things up in the back of the van. We square things away for another little move, try and find another camp. I'm going to go down to the marina at Portland before I go off the island. I've seen a lovely camp. Well, it looks like a lovely camp on Google Earth search when I zoom in. I don't know what's going on here. I've been in this traffic for 10 minutes. What the hell? I think there's roadworks or something here. Everybody's trying to get down into the Portland from the top of the rock, and what the hell is going on? And I can see my bloody, looking out my window then in the sunshine, I could see my garden, my lawn on the roof, flapping around on my roof. Could see it flapping around. Well, mate, I'll have to get down and sort that out. We're moving at last. This is the roadworks. We're just popping down into Portland town itself.
It's quite steep coming down, but believe me, the road going up to the rock is even steeper. It is a hell of a climb up, but as you can see, it's quite a dip down on the downward bound, but the upward side is even steeper. This is a lovely Portland village. All of these houses are made out of Portland rock. Really enjoyed myself on Portland. It's a beautiful place. Absolutely, highly recommend you come to Portland. It's lovely. The sea looks a bit rough down there today, down on the windward side anyway, compared to Hope Cove, where we've just come from. Right, I'm going to pull down here. There is a cafe on the left-hand side, little caravan. I might have a sandwich down there. A bit of money for the community again. As a thank you to Portland for my free camps here. Been here over a week, I think. Lovely village. Right, I'm going to find this marina park up. It looks a bit nice. We'll go and explore the harbour and the maritime part of Portland, which has got lots of maritime history on Portland. I love my maritime history going back. And here we go, we'll go down to the bottom. We're down at sea level now, lovely jubbly. We're off the rock. We're still on Portland. Oh, look at that sea out there. That sea's kicking up a little bit. So we're not going off the island yet. We're going to have one final camp on the island down at the marina. And this looks a gem, guys. Here we go. Oh, it's a bit breezy out there. We're down at the bottom now. There's a couple of camps down here you can start. No problems at all down at the bottom by the marina. I've just had a look on the roof. And my lawn's gone. That lawn I saw flapping around in the shadow coming down the hill. Bloody gone. It's only up the hill there. It's only this smaller stretch where I lost it. I wonder if I drive back up, but that bloody traffic's a nightmare. Mind you, it looks like it's cleared up now, I don't know. But that roadwork was a nightmare to go back up there and look for it. Oh dear, oh dear. It's probably blown away. It's probably halfway across to Ireland by now. Took off like a bloody kite. It must have come off just as I saw it flapping. Must have come off. While I was waiting in that bloody queue of bleeding traffic. What a bloody bummer, eh? So I've lost my bloody garden. Oh, damn. I might hang around here for tonight and have a look later when the traffic's calmed down, because I ain't going back up there in that bloody traffic again. Take me half an hour to get up and down to have a look. What a bummer, eh? Anyway, there's a caravan selling sandwiches here. I'm going to have some breakfast. Lovely. Well, I've had a good look up and down. Oh, what a pain in the bloody butt. I'll have to get a new piece of grass now and get it cut again. So that's my rooftop garden gone. Still, I don't use it much in the winter. I usually take it down in the winter. I need to get some staples and staple the Velcro down better, because I did stitch it and the stitches just come loose after a bit with the high winds, all the places I go anyway. So I'll have to get a new piece of grass when I get back up to the Midlands. New piece of AstroTurf, ready for the summer. Anyway, we shan't worry about that now. It's gone. You can't do a lot, can you? It's gone. It's a shame. I thought I'd find that. Anyway, we'll just park down here at the marina and we'll have a look around. I think Skye, his daddy a plonker, lost the garden. What an idiot you are, Dad. Right, we're at Portland Harbour. Another nice free camp here, right on the harbour front. Catch you in a bit. Right, I found a lovely camp right down on the marina of Portland, down on the sea level now. And believe it or not, I think you can see there out the window, can't see very well, we are, can you see, just here, Portcullis, we are right outside, actually more or less in the grounds of Portland Castle. Oh, you can't get any closer to the centre. You got the marina here as well, which is lovely. You got the Portland Harbour here, which is amazing. I think there's a naval shipping, a warshipping. I can see a grey ship over there. We'll go and have a look around. I'll show you this camp. Cracking camp as well, lovely. But I'm probably in the prime position right on the end. We're going to have a look over. It's a bit windy, so I've got the mic in, so hopefully we should be good to rock and roll.
So hopefully the sound will be fine. Right, you ready, Skye? You ready for a walk? Ready for a walk? Which ones? Which ones? You go for a walk. You want to go for a walk? Right, you want to go? Oh, no. Right, let's go out. It's bloody windy and it's chilly. Let's go and have a look.